guys, welcome to my channel. I am sitting on my floor because I'm using daylight, trying this thing out. See how this video comes out, because this is like a tutorial, I guess. So yeah, today's video is a summer look. So if you guys want to learn how to achieve this look, please keep watching. Hello, I'm going to start off with my L'Oreal Pro Glow Infallible Foundation. This is geared towards dry skin, so it's really glowy and really nice. Also, it's super affordable, so that makes it even better because it's a drugstore foundation. I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with my flat brush from Wet n Wild, or Wet n Wild Cosmetics. I don't know if I got that right. But anyways, this is a super affordable brush too. You can find them at Target, you can find them at Walgreens, CVS, and if you live in Texas, HEB. Also, I'm going to make sure to blend it out really well because I'm only going to be using one coat. So I'm just going to blend that out in the areas that it needs to be blended out. And then when I apply my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer, I'm going to go ahead and tap that in as I blend it out because I don't want to remove too much product. So by tapping it in, it allows it to stay in place and I won't remove too much. So I'm just going to be doing that to both of my eyes. Then I'm going to be going in to set only the areas that crease in my face with the Airspun powder, because I have dry skin, so I don't want to set too much because if not it gets flaky. Guys, if you have oily skin, make sure to go get this powder. It's really affordable. I'm going to go ahead and then use my bronzer from Sephora. I got this about a year or two ago. It's their Bronze de Soleil, and it was for their Brazil collection or something like that. I need to use it because it's going to expire, so I'm just using it. I do like it. It's really nice, especially for my skin tone. I'm Casper the Friendly Ghost, so whenever I find a bronzer that does me good, I tend to use it a lot, and this is one of them. I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose with my Sonia Kashuk brush. This is like my favorite brush to contour my nose. It's perfect. And then underneath my lip, to give it the illusion of bigger lips, I'm going to be using my MAC blush. I don't know the name because honestly it came off on the back. And then I'm going to be highlighting with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlight, and then it's just going to be on top of my lip, my nose, and on the sides. It doesn't look like it's too much because of the lighting, but this highlight is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to go in with my favorite Tarte palette, and it's the Tartelette in the Bloom, and I'm going to be using the white shade and then some other shades. I honestly don't have this palette next to me. I'm just creating a really subtle smoky eye, something that can be good for everyday use, and I'm going to be making sure to blend that out really well. And this makeup look, honestly guys, it is so fast. It took me 15 minutes and 30 seconds before editing this video, and that's because my eyebrows was included into that. Even though I didn't record it, I timed it with that, so fairly easy, very fast, and it came out really nice. For the inner corners of my eyes, I'm going to be using that highlighter again so I can tie that all in, and then I'm going to be applying my Clinique mascara. And yes guys, I applied it on the side of my cheek. I always do this, but when that happens, you can just get the concealer brush that I use for my eyebrows and just clean it out. For my lipstick, I'm going to be using this nude from MAC. You can just use any nude and it'll tie in the whole look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching. Well guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It took me about, without editing and stuff, it took me about 15 minutes. The eyebrows I did off camera because I have a tutorial on that, and honestly it's just taking up editing space and editing time, so that's why I did it off camera. I did prep my skin with the Tarte SPF moisturizer and my coconut smoothing primer from First Aid Beauty, so I didn't add that because I did it as I did my eyebrows. And the eyebrow products that I used today were for the pot from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'll insert the name right here, and also the whitening stick from Benefit, and it was fairly easy. I usually overdraw them and just clean them out. That's what I find the easiest for me, so that's what I do. But yeah, I prepped my skin and I did my eyebrows off of camera. Everything else I'll try to show the products in this video, and I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please do like and subscribe. Bye.